That's Robin.
Shane.
Shane's alive.
Every song.
Yes, Pumpkin, because it's a new video.
Oh. I know you're sorry.
What did you just say? Did you say? What did you just say?
What?
Did you say egg roll or negro?
I didn't say negro. I said.
I thought you said Nick Roll.
I said it's a neck for roll.
It's not. Okay. How about you just not say weirdo things like that? Especially because now it's recording, so we have that at the beginning of our video. That's our intro. That's exciting. Alright, so open to, oh my gosh, stop! Open to x squared plus bx plus c, and then move it down, please, because we're going to write our learning target and our rules up at the top. What are you saying over there? Like, why do you need so much of my attention?
All I said was try to know me.
That's not what I asked you. I didn't ask you what you said. No, we're having our lesson. Alright, so our learning target for today says I can factor
Hey.
I was thirsty. A trinomial. Yeah. With a leading I'm just making sure we're all done.
Oh.
Coefficient
Coefficient is so hard to spell.
of 1. So that means that A equals 1. There's not a number out front. Now, who remembers what the first rule is? We have several rules, but who remembers what we have to find first? Shane. No. We do have to check for a GCF. So I like that you check for a GCF. So we need what?
Tape.
Say a star.
The table.
Well,
You gotta have
which
a
way are we
table.
gonna do?
You gotta have a table to find your own.
Nickel.
It still sounds like you're saying that. Stop. So we need two numbers that multiply to give you C
Oh.
and add to give you B. Yes. I honestly don't know what he was saying. I thought he said buy a potato. So I just ignored it because I was confused. I'm sorry. We're just being honest. Okay, now, do we have to check the signs?
Yes.
Okay, how do we check what? Remix. What is important about the signs? What happens if C is positive?
You gotta check B.
All factors watch side of B.
All factors match B. Okay, so it's also on the poster up there.
And it's all about figure that says factoring A squared.
Look at you go. Take a point for looking at your notes. If C is positive, all signs match B. Do we agree or disagree?
Agreed.
What happens if C is negative?
Look at these.
Okay. So if C is negative, look at B. But we have to pay attention to what B says, right?
Yes.
So besides Saxon, because he's on a roll over there with his notes, who can tell me what happens if if B is positive? Hannah?
The higher factor.
The big factor is positive. All right. If B is positive, the big factor is positive. It's like we remember something. It's so exciting. What if B is negative? If B is negative, the big factor is negative. And what do we mean by big factor? The larger number. Okay. Questions, comments, gripes, complaints so far? Patrick, you okay back there? Because you were dead for a week while we did this, so I just want to make sure. Make sure you're alive. Is anybody's memory coming back that you kind of remember doing this, or no? Well, your brain's broken. You don't count. All right, are we ready to actually factor? Okay, I'm not going anywhere. What are you saying?
I didn't even say nothing.
Yes, thanks. Good looking out. Finding my marker. Y'all are so funny. Now I can go? Okay. Stop that, you weirdo. Why are you the way you are? Are you sure? Alright, so we're going to write our problems on the bottom. We're going to practice using the star to begin with. We'll see how you like it. If you don't like it, we can go back to the other way.
I have a question.
Okay.
If we don't want to use the star, can we just do it the regular way?
Yeah, but I want you to practice. I just said that.
I mean, I like doing it the regular way.
No, it was, you remember the mint smoothie that I had that day? Well, Mr. Asbury tried to make the mint smoothie this morning, and he put cocoa powder in it. And it tastes like weird chocolate milk, and I don't like it, so I'm like trying to not die over here. But it's my snack, and I'm hungry. Yes, give me just a second. Because it's my snack, and I'm hungry.
Wait, so you're saying I have to do it the star way?
I just want you to practice this way. That's all I want you to do. Why do I have to keep saying it over and
I know
over
how
and
to do the
over?
star way though.
Can you just do it the way I tell you to? Just for once.
Why are you so juicy? I thought so deep.
Because Mr. Asbury made it, not me. Mr. Mark doesn't know what he's doing with smoothies.
I'll let
Oh my
y'all
gosh, it tastes like one of those healthy bars. You know what are they called?
granola bar?
Cliff bar. Yeah, it tastes just like a Cliff bar.
But
It's not good. It's like a crappy Cliff bar. Yeah.
There are no crappy clip bars.
Oh, yeah.
Cardboard and chocolate.
Yes, it does. It's very powdery. I'm glad this is on our video. Hannah, I hope you watch this one while your sister's in the room so that she... Do you need some water? Okay. All right, so our star method this time, we'll just have a C up top because A is 1, B on bottom, A, which is 1, and then still your factors here and here. So it's still the same thing, and you can also still multiply A times C, but what's 1 times anything? The thing.
Same number.
Yeah. All right, are we ready?
Yes, ma'am. I am. Saxon is. Saxon is.
Okay, go Saxon, go Saxon.
You used to read it out loud. Say it.
X squared plus 12x plus
Blue
32.
bounces you be wearing?
Oh,
You
where
can't
you
crack
at?
open. I don't care.
This ain't flood
I
though.
don't care. These all wear New Balances.
It's on flood.
These all wear New Balances.
It's on flood.
These all wear New Balances.
I don't care,
I'm trying
stop.
to get a black haircut.
I don't.
Yes, you can.
A black haircut?
I go to a salon.
Paid original.
Stop. Pump the brakes.
Black people go to salons too.
Oh, I know. I'll send it to Carl. That one's a doctor gift.
Draw a star.
I should.
So, what goes at the top? And that is?
32.
Okay. What goes at the bottom? And that is? And on top, on the sides, it's 1 because that's our A. Now, they're both positive because both of these guys are positive, correct? We need two numbers that multiply to give us 32, add to give us 12. List for me all the factors of 32.
4 and 8.
4 and
that's
8.
it. That's the one. 8 and 4. That's it.
16 and
8
2.
and 4.
8 and 4.
That's
What adds to give us 12?
8 and 4.
So what do we write here?
8 and 4.
Y'all like the other way, baby.
Do we have to reduce our fraction?
You do it, but you don't have to reduce these, but you do it.
Right. So if there was a number out front, you would have to reduce, but you don't. So do we have to write the 1 out front? We just write x plus 8 and x plus 4. And we're done.
See, I like the other way.
I like it.
It's a lot of
Yeah. Oh my God, stars.
Even though I use this.
All right, well, fun fact, I'm never going to make any of you happy, and you're probably all still going to cheat like you've been doing, so we're going to keep doing it this way.
Oh, I see why you made you do that way, so it'd be showing weird.
All right? N squared plus 4n minus 21. Now, do we have to watch out for our signs on this one? Yes, we do. And since C is negative, what do?
Look at the look at B.
Look at B, and the big factor is going to be positive, because that's positive. All right, let's draw our star. What goes in the top?
Negative 21.
What goes in the bottom?
4.
And on the edges?
1.
All right, please list for me all the factors of negative 21. And remember, the big factor has to be positive.
7.
7 and negative 3, and,
20. Negative. Positive 21. Negative.
okay, which one adds to give us positive 4?
7.
So 7, negative 3, and how do I write my parentheses?
1 plus. I mean 8 plus 7.
What's my letter?
And dang.
And we're done.
Can we try one on our own?
Yes, you're going to try one on your own. Look at you go. Are we ready? We think so. Maybe. Maybe. Are you tater tot?
There's no one on
I know. The new one?
There you go.
Yeah, there's 2 pieces of good actually.
Okay, thanks.
I'm good at it.
Please do this one without me.
There's none of
Pause it. Pause it real quick. I think that shit.
Okay, how did we do on this one?
What are you doing?
Una más and then homework.
One more.
Shannon, what did you do?
There is something wrong with you.
What'd that do?
Not you.
You don't like burgers? Baby burgers?
She can't eat that.
She can't eat veggie burgers.
Oh, I thought you said bread. You eat bread. Because it's like wheat and stuff. I thought you didn't eat like.
It's made from a plant, baby. I'm a vegetarian. I eat plants.
That's
But that's okay because 1 year a kid. Alright, so. Pew, pew, pew. Negative 72, negative 1, 1, 1, 8, negative 9. So x plus 8, x minus 9. How do we do? Alright, you have
Right
A.
at your table.
If everybody got it right at your table, you get a point.
Yes.
Alright. So your homework tonight is going to be a worksheet. I'm going to bring it around, pass it out. You need to start working on it now. You can also color your egg, all that good stuff.